Hey friends, so in this video I'll run you through this amazing AI video generator which will help you create animation videos, explainer videos, 3D animation videos, motion graphic videos very easily. In this video specifically, I'm going to show you how you can generate cartoon animation videos and explainer videos for your business, for your products and services very easily using this platform. So let's dive in and take this forward. Hey friends, hi. So in this video I'll show you how you can create these cutting edge animation, cartoon animation videos, explainer videos for your business in like 10 to 15 minutes. I'll show you this bunch of tools which are video generator, AI video generator platforms which have amazing power to create some stunning videos for your business. So let's get started. Very fast we'll go to ChatGPT. Over here I'm working on this title where I'm going to create a video about 5 benefits of video marketing. So I've given this prompt, generate 5 minutes of script on how video marketing can benefit businesses, and that's what ChatGPT has given me. It has given me the script down here with about 5 benefits. I'm pretty okay with it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll pick this up, I'll copy it, I'll go into my software. So this is where we are. I'll go into the animation section. Right. So as we come down here, I'll go to the explainer video section. They have this tons of pre-done templates with loads of assets which give you some amazing videos done. So in this video, we're going to talk about cartoon animations, explainer animations. I'll click on this and I'll select the relevant template which will work for us. So I'll select this explainer video toolkit. It's an amazing software, my friends. I mean, it's superb. I mean, I've given the link to this software in the description of the video. You can log in from there, create a free account and get started. Let me just show you the kind of templates and kind of pre-done animations this software has. So let me just quickly play this.
Do you run a business or startup and need an engaging explainer animation to promote your brand? But you don't have enough time and you don't want to waste thousands on video production? Introducing Explainer Video Toolkit, a powerful promotion tool with over 500 scenes to reach your marketing
objectives. As you can see, they have loads of pre-done scenes already.
From scratch, directly in your browser.
So all you gotta do is come up with a script, give the script to the platform, and you're there. So let's go to the next step. I'll click on Create Now. Right. So now this software has given me 2 options in this category. You can go manual, you can start from scratch and build every scene. They have all the scenes, you can select the scenes and you can work around it. For this video I've selected this type your story. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the script right in here and generate the video out of it. So we'll copy paste the script that ChatGPT gave us. We will insert it over here and I'll say generate project. So now I've got this scenes generated, but wherein there is a little bit of issue where the sentences are too long. So this tool wants us to shorten the sentence, and then we can take this further. So for the sake of the video, I've already done this. I have optimized the script where this is the one where I have reduced the length of the sentences so that the tool can easily work around it and create all the scenes very effectively. So what we're going to do is we will copy paste this optimized script. So I will close this, I will re-trigger the tool, and I'll put in the copy again. So there you go, I've put in the optimized copy. I'll say generate project. So there we go, I've got this 17 scenes all being generated. Now all I have to do is click on generate project and all the scenes will be ready. Once again, for the sake of the video, I've already done this. So I will just take you right to the edit and show you how the scenes have come up. So let's go into the video. Right, let me just load up the video that we have done. Sorry, once again. Yeah. Right, so just load up the, let me just start with the edit. I'll click on the edit. So there we go. So as you can see, all the scenes are generated. All the 17 scenes which were identified by the generator, by the tool, they have all been generated based on the script. and every scene, if I click, it has its own text matter, which will now convert into the audio. So it's all done up, all ready. All it took is about 3-4 minutes to generate this. That's how fast it is. That's how amazing this platform is. So all the scenes are ready, and these are all animated, character animated scenes, explainer video. You can create some amazing video. I'll show you the output as well at the end of this video. So if you've made it with me so far, I believe I'm generating some value around it. So please do like and subscribe our channel. So moving forward, as I said, I've given the link to the software in the description. You can always go check it out from there. So as you can see, all the scenes are ready. Now the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to put the voice. So we're not going to record any voice and stuff. It has this amazing tool wherein you can simply do text to speech very easily. So I'll just select the scene. So as you can see, all of these scenes have come up, and all I got to do is I've got to select this text to speech, put in the text, and then I select the text from here. I put in the text over here, and I say generate, and it's done. You got to select male, female, whatever options you want, you can select, and you can generate the AI voice using this text to speech, and the voice is done in order. Let me just play it out for you.
Video marketing has become an essential tool for businesses of all sizes.
See, that's how amazing it is. All easily done with text to speech. The voice is ready. Likewise, I've done it already for all the scenes so that we can move quickly in the video. Let me just go back to the edit. So it's all there. It's all done now. We are ready. We've got the script done. We got all the visuals done. We got all the audio done. And barely it's been about 10-12 minutes while I did all of this. So all done up. The next thing I got to do is select preview, and you can select whichever options. For this video I have selected HD 1080. You can even do 4K videos on this platform. So I've selected HD 1080. So it's already done. Like I said, for the sake of the video, it's already exported. Let me just go to the video and show you the output. What kind of output we have got from this software, and how easily we got that. That's the best part of it, because you don't have to really depend and outsource the project to any production house, pay them loads of money, to the freelancers. I did it myself. Now I'm an entrepreneur. I work for my clients. I did it all by myself. I really didn't have to rely on anyone to do this. So let me just play the video for you.
Hi there. Are you a business owner looking to take your marketing strategy to the next level?
Right.
Video marketing has become an essential tool for businesses of all sizes. Let me break down 5 key ways video marketing can benefit your business in just 5 minutes.
So as you can see, the video is all ready. The animation, the graphics, all done. And all been done using the AI tools, ChatGPT, the software, the script generator, the text-to-speech, audio tool. It was all there. I showed you everything whichever was used in this video to create this video, and it was all done under 15 minutes.
Studies have shown that
it's just amazing how AI video generators can really do all the heavy lifting and give you stunning videos. So so that's it for now in this video. I hope I've delivered some value. You've learned something. The link to the software is there in the description of this video. Go ahead, sign up and start your free account, and I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Thanks. Bye.